Speaking of beauty pageants, I have to say this, and come on, let's be honest here. We don't need no beauty pageants to tell us who the most beautiful women on earth are. We could have told them that ourselves. We know that Muslim women are the most beautiful creatures on God's green earth. And it's not because they shed their clothes to be ogled at by men. No, 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 no. You don't expose a delicate rose to the ravishes of the harsh desert wind. Our sisters are the most beautiful because they value their beauty, because they protect their modesty, because they guard their chastity. All Muslim women are beautiful because they are Muslim. And a message to my dear sisters in Islam, make sure that you stick to your noble Islamic ideals, because you are the last representatives of true femininity on earth. Speaking of beauty pageants, I have to say this, and come on, let's